Welcome to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve the question number 2 from exercise 3.1, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In my previous videos, I have completed introduction, examples 1 to 3 and question 1 from the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button. A pair of linear equations in two variables says, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. So again, this question is very much similar to our previous question, that is question number 1 from the same exercise. So to solve this problem, initially let us assume rate of each bat and each ball. So let us assume price of each bat be X rupees and price of each ball be Y rupees. Okay, so write down, let the cost of one bat be X rupees and similarly let the cost of one ball be Y rupees. So here, coming back to the question, they have given us that coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Cost of each bat is X rupees. So what will be the cost of 3 bats? That is 3 into X, right? So 3X plus they are also buying 6 balls. So we will add plus 6 into what is cost of each ball? It is Y. Cost of 6 balls will be 6Y. So this they are buying 3 bats and 6 balls. They are buying for rupees 3,900. So equal to 3,900. So let this be equation number 1. Similarly, later on they again buy a bat and 3 balls. So one bat will be 1 into the cost of each bat is X plus again 3 more balls they are buying, so 3 into cost of each ball Y equal to that they are buying for rupees 1,300. Okay, so let this be equation number 2. So now we have represented the situation algebraically. Similarly, let us represent the situation geometrically. We will take each of this equation and we will substitute either X or Y value and find out the other value. So geometrically, from equation 1, we have 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900. So let us find out the x value by substituting y value. So we will find out y equation here. Sending 3x to the right hand side, we get 6y is equal to 3,900 minus 3x. So y will be sending again this 6 to the right hand side. We get 3,900 minus 3x divided by 6. So here you can observe that we can take out 3 common from both numerator and denominator. So we will take 3 outside common. Dividing 3,900 by 3, we get 0, 0. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are minus. Taking 3 common, you just left with x divided by 6. So here 3 1 times, 3 2 times. So we get y value as equal to 1,300 minus x divided by 2. So now let us find out the value of y by substituting the value of x. So if we take x equal to 0, then we get 1,300 by 2. So that will be a decimal number. Since 2 is not divisible by 1,300, so we will consider x value to be 100. Okay, so let us substitute x is equal to 100. So we get y is equal to 1,300 minus 100 divided by 2. So what is 1,300 minus 100? It is 1,200 by 2. So 2 1 times, 2 6 are 12. So that will be, y value will be equal to 600. Okay, so let us draw the table. So this is x and this is y. For x equal to 100, we got y value as equal to 600. Similarly, now let us put x value equal to 300. So y equal to 1,300 minus 300 by 2. So 1,300 minus 300 is 1,000 divided by 2. So we get x value is equal to 500. That is 2 1 times, 2 5s are 10, 0 0. For x value equal to 300, we got y value as equal to 500. Similarly, from equation 2, so if you consider equation 2, we have x plus 3y is equal to 1300. So let us find out the x value here by sending this 3y to the right hand side. So x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. So now here we will be substituting the y value to find out the x value. If we take y value as 100, so we will get 3 into 100 will be 300. So 1300 minus 300 will be equal to 1000. So 1000 is a very big number. So let us take a bigger value for y so that the x value reduces. So let us take y is equal to 300. So therefore x will be equal to 1300 minus 3 into 300. So that will be 1300 minus 3 into 3 is 900. So what is x value equal to? 1300 minus 300 is 400, right? Similarly, let us take y value is equal to 400 now. So we will get x is equal to 1300 minus 3 into 400. So that will be how much? 1300 minus 4 3s are 1200. So therefore x value here we got as 100, right? So let us draw the table again. For y value of 300, we got x value as 400. Similarly, for y equal to 400, we got x value as 100. So now let us plot these tables on graph and represent the situation graphically. So now let us plot the graph for the equation number 1, that is 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. So here, since x and y value are in terms of 100, we will take the x-axis and y-axis again with 100 units of difference. Okay, so here on x-axis we have taken from 100 to 800, and similarly on y-axis we are taking the values from 100 to 800. So if you look at the table, the first value is at x is equal to 100, we have y is equal to 600. So on x-axis it is 100 and on y-axis we have to look for 600. So therefore we obtain a point here. So let us name this point as A, that is for x equal to 100, y value is 600. Okay, similarly the next point is at x equal to 300 and y is equal to 500. So at x equal to 300 and on y-axis we have 500. So this is the point at B. X is equal to 300 and y is equal to 500. So now let us draw a line intersecting these 2 points. For the equation 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. Write down 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. Now similarly, let us plot the graph obtained from the table for equation x plus 3y is equal to 1300. So the first value is at x equal to 400, y is equal to 300. So on x-axis it is 400 and on y-axis we have to locate at 300. So we will obtain a point here. Let us mark this point as P at 400, 300. Similarly, the next point is on x-axis it is 100 and on y-axis we should take 400. So we will obtain a point here, that is Q at x 100 and y is at 400. So let us draw a line intersecting these 2 points. So this is the line we obtain for the given equation x plus 3y is equal to 1300. So this is how we plot the graph. So if you have any further doubts, do comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 3 from exercise 3.1, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 3, pair of linear equation shown on the screen. Thank you.